This video tutorial will show you how to make a payment request within the NDIS provider portal. Again, we are on the home screen of the provider portal. We click on payment request. 4 tiles should now appear. So there are 2 ways of making a payment request. The first one is a manual payment request, which is this first tile. The second way is via a bulk upload. View payment requests. Within this tile, you can see all the payment requests for an individual or within the time frame. Within payment summaries, you can get a 30-day report on all the payment requests you have done within that time period. So we'll do a manual payment request today. Again, search by the NDIS number is best practice. You should have this by now, and if you don't know what it is, you can find it in the View Service Booking tile. So we'll enter the number, wait till it loads. Now we have to select the name of the participant to proceed. Within these 9 boxes, all of them need to be filled out, and you need to do it in chronological order. So the support start date is the very first one. So we'll go the 1st of December, and we'll do it for 1 day today. You can change the end date if you need it. Please put in an invoice number. This invoice number is applicable to your organization, and you can choose whatever you want. Support category. So this support category needs to refer to the service booking support category. So I have got 2 service bookings for this participant, and we want to select CB daily activity because I provided therapy services to him. The item number box now is mandatory. In the service booking tile, it is optional. We click here, and now we need to select the one that was applicable to the support that I provided. Please be aware that this service agreement number here, is the service booking reference number. So if you have 2 service bookings for this one participant over those support dates, you should be able to see the different dates here. So we'll select this one. Okay, so the item quantity and the payment amount do not multiply. So if you provided 2 hours of therapy and you want to charge $175 per hour, you do not put in 2 and 175. If you do this, you'll be paid $175. What you need to do is put in the total amount that you want to be paid in the payment amount box. So in this case, it's $350. If we put quantity 1, the NDIS portal will only pay us $175. The reason for this is the price cap of this item number is $175 per hour. So please be aware of that. 99% of services and products at the NDIS are GST free. So please leave it on GST free or select it. GST out of scope is not applicable, and GST 10% is only applicable for delivery of products. Please consult the NDIS price guide for official policy on GST. We click add now, and it drops down another box drops down the bottom. If you wanted to make a second payment request for the same participant, this is possible. So again, we'll enter the dates of the booking, 2017, and then it pops up. Test ABC2. This time we're going to select assistive technology. We select the item number. Again, we've got a different service booking reference number now, and we're going to select hand splints as an example. Item quantity is 1, and we're going to put in $200. In order to progress to the next screen, you have to click Next. Please confirm the amounts and the details are correct before you click on Submit. Once you do click on Submit, that is a financial transaction, and the portal should transfer you $550 into your bank account within 2 business days. Please be aware that if the portal does underpay you, you're allowed to go back in and make a second payment request for the funds that are owed.